Hello everyone, I Siddhartha Serene from Youth for Work. I am back with another video. In one of our previous videos, we had learned about NIACL prelims exams. So today, we'll be telling you about the NIACL mains exam. Let us first of all recall about the NIACL. NIACL stands for New India Assurance Company Limited. It conducts NIACL Administrative Officer AO exam to recruit administrative officer for its various branches across the country. The exam is conducted in two different stages: NIACL AO prelims and NIACL AO mains. So we'll be telling you about the NIACL AO main exam that will be surely helping you if you are looking forward to prepare for the exam. We'll be telling you about the exam and we will share the exam pattern and tips to crack the AO mains exam.